So hi everyone, welcome to you all in my other video. And today with us Sanjay. He's from India, Haryana, and he recently passed the KAPS exam in his first attempt. So basically, he's working full time in Mumbai in pharmacovigilance. So how he managed his time and give the time for preparation for KAPS, and he made it in his first attempt. So we will see in his journey. So hi Sanjay, how are you?
Hi, Dr. Akram sir. Good morning, and
Morning.
it's amazing for me for to join the academically and to study from your whole team. And many thanks you sir. And
थैंक यू
for
यू
me it's
संजय बेसिकली
amazing.
कि मेन जो काम है आपका स्टूडेंट का एज ए स्टूडेंट हम लोग तो ठीक है एकेडमिकली आपको हेल्प करें टीचिंग पढ़ा रहे हैं आपको पर पढ़ना स्टूडेंट को ही होता है और एग्जाम भी आपको ही पास कर रहे हैं हम एग्जाम में नहीं जा रहे हैं ना मगर आपने जो है बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत किया अपने टाइम को मैनेज किया वो एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है भी हम आगे जानेंगे संजय थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में बताइए कि आपने कहाँ से फार्मेसी डिग्री किया आप कहाँ से रहने वाले हैं और क्या आप जॉब करते हैं क्या एक्सपीरियंस है आपका
Yes, sir. So I have done my bachelor from GD Goenka University. There is in Gurugram near my place Sona, and after that I joined the TCS and in pharmacovigilance field. But I want to start my career in the as a pharmacist, and I want to think to go for abroad, and so I am also fan of you. So that's why I am always watching your videos through YouTube, and I found the academically, and I joined that time, and I prepare from the time till now, and I pass the exam. So it's amazing for me.
Yeah, thank you, Sanjay. So Sanjay basically a pharmacovigilance expert. He's working, but his dream to go abroad. So I remember he was contacting me earlier, even he don't have his transcript and GD Goenka University also. I think the guys don't know what is the transcription that he struggled a lot
Yes, sir.
in initial days because transcript not needed in especially if you are from North India. If you are
Yes,
going
sir. Yes.
abroad, transcript is mandatory, whether you go Australia or any other country also. So when you pass your pharmacy degree, so please request to your university and take that transcript. So in future, if you want to go abroad to work, then you no need to go again and again and ask them for the transcript. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Sanjay, can you please give me your idea that how many months total you study with academically to pass this exam, and basically what was your schedule? How many hours per day you were studying?
Yeah, basically, the live lectures is all mandatory for us to take, and it's very enough for the CAPS exam. If we another from the live lectures, if we study self like the handouts that provided by the academic, that is also for enough. And 3 to 4 hours I had studied during the CAPS exam while preparing, so it's enough for me. And the whole team, like whole students and whole team, whole teachers that are also very helpful for me to
So
clearing the
basically, I
exams
say
and
this
doubts.
academically is not a single journey, it's like a
Yeah.
family. So it's not just
Yes.
me and the others guys or lecturers, even your own student. There is so many students, they will you have to every day discuss with them, they are giving you guiding
Yes.
you so it's like a kind of family because everyone has to pass the exam and come to Australia. So whether you are from any whatever your country but your dream
Yes.
automatically to pass the CAPS exam come to Australia. So it's like a academically is a family, I can say. It's not a just a company or we are just helping you. So Sanjay, what do you think
Yes.
about this?
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. And it's enough for me to study 3 to 4
अच्छा संजय
months
ये बताओ ये
by
जो हमारे जो
academically.
मॉक टेस्ट थे उस मॉक टेस्ट से कितना आपको हेल्प मिला और कितने क्वेश्चन
Uh,
दे आस्क फ्रॉम देयर इन योर एग्जाम.
Sir, definitely mock test. I will say that 80% are from mock test,
ओके.
and yeah, 80%, 80 to 90% are from mock test, and they are all based on conceptual base. These are all questions. If we study in live lectures and to understand the concept, so it will definitely we will clear the exam.
So we always, recommended basically if you are have a long gap, 10 year, 15 year, 20, doesn't matter because
Yes,
we start from zero. So if you join
yes, sir.
academically, definitely you will pass in your first attempt. And we take live session, we provide the study material. Apart from this, we have a special mock test we design in our own last 15 years research. Basically, I can say we did a lot of, so we have our own mock test. Most of the times in mock, up to 90% they ask from the mock. But we don't believe in our mock test. We believe
Yes,
what we are taking in the live session, they may ask from there. Anywhere they can ask, so you able to pass, to able to achieve at least 50%, so you can pass the KAPS exam in your first attempt. This is our, we are not here to teach you pharmacy. You are already a pharmacist. हमारा एम है कि आपको एग्जाम पास कराएं इन योर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, तो उसमें एकेडमिकली आपको A to Z हेल्प करता है। तो संजय,
yes, sir.
ये बताइए कि लास्ट में आपने टाइम कैसे मैनेज, क्योंकि आप फुल टाइम जॉब करते हो, मुंबई के अंदर बहुत ही बिजी लाइफ होती है वहां पर फार्म विजिलेंस में, तो आपने ये टाइम
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
मैनेज, आप
So,
कितने घंटे पढ़ते, किस टाइम, मॉर्निंग में, इवनिंग में, आप क्या करते थे?
uh,
यस संजय।
yes, sir. Because it can possible from Arif sir and Harika ma'am in very well, and the whole study material are also very concise form. And if we study 3 to 4 months, like full of interest, then definitely it is enough for to clear the CAPS
बेसिकली संजय इज
exam.
वन
It's
स्टेप।
not too much like hard, but it needs a very interest. Yes,
So Sanjay is very one step closer to his dream to come Australia because he just need to pass the PTE. He already booked the exam
yes,
for next week. Then he will come to Australia. So basically, Ajay Sanjay, at the end, what you want to say, because some of the students always confuse the thing that the exam is very tough. I'm not able to pass the exam. So what you want to say to them who are watching to us?
yeah, it's not too much hard if we study concise form, and if we prepare our concepts to clear through the exam, so it definitely we will clear. And also it will hope that the clear the exam for all.
तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट बेसिकली कंफ्यूजन में हैं आप लोग कि आप एकेडमिकली ज्वाइन करें या नहीं करें, एकेडमिकली नहीं, बेसिकली आपको विदेश में जाना चाहिए या नहीं, एग्जाम आप कर पाओगे या नहीं। तो भाई पहले स्टार्ट तो करो, कहीं से तो स्टार्ट करो आप, तभी तो आप आगे बढ़ोगे। तो अगर आप लाइफ में अगर छोटा सा भी अगर आप रिस्क नहीं ले सकते तो आप कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे? तो मैं तो यही कहूंगा कि आपको जहां भी जाना है पूरी दुनिया में आप जा सकते हो। फार्मेसी
Yes, sir.
डिग्री
Yes.
इतनी बुरी नहीं है। बहुत सारे लोग कंप्लेन करते रहते हैं इंडिया के अंदर फार्मेसी डिग्री बहुत ही बुरी है, हम इसको लेके फंस गए, कोई स्कोप नहीं है इस कोर्स का, तो ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत स्कोप है। अब देखना है कि आप उसके स्कोप को, उस ड्रीम को अचीव करने के लिए आप कितनी मेहनत करते हो। तो नो रिस्क
Yes,
नो
sir.
गेन, थोड़ा सा रिस्क जरूर है लाइफ में, मगर आप उसको लीजिए और आगे बढ़िए, यही एकेडमिकली का एम है। और संजय, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, sir, for whole academical team, and very very congratulations, sir, for
Yes,
the
you are once
thank you.
again for you the congratulations once again, and I will see you
Yeah,
soon in Australia one day, and we will have a live conversation at that time. Thank you so much, Sanjay,
yeah, yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
and
Thank you.
please like and subscribe our videos so I can make more videos for you. Thank you.
Thank you.